we'll guide you through how to create a picture-in-picture effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and head over to the Edit page. You'll be working here to create that picture-in-picture effect. Import your clips into the media pool by dragging them from your computer. Once your clips are in, drag the main video clip onto the timeline. This will be the background video. Next, drag the video you want to overlay on top of the main clip, placing it on a higher track in the timeline. Now, with the overlay clip selected, go to the inspector panel on the top right. This is where the magic happens. In the Transform section, you'll see options to adjust position, zoom, and rotation. To create the picture-in-picture effect, you need to resize and reposition the overlay clip. Use the zoom controls to make the clip smaller, then adjust the position sliders to place it where you want on the screen. You can drag the clip directly in the preview window for more intuitive positioning. If you want to add a border to your picture-in-picture, go to the Effects library, and under the Open FX section, find the border effect. Drag it onto your overlay clip and then use the inspector to customize the border's color, width, and softness. Adjust until you're satisfied with the look. Finally, play back your timeline to ensure everything looks just right. If you need any fine-tuning, go back to the inspector and tweak the settings until everything is perfect. And there you have it, a fully functional picture-in-picture effect in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.